Hey guys, do you want to learn data science but you're puzzled with the data scattered all over the internet and also you don't know where to read and which are the best? So in this video, I am telling you the best learning resources for data science. Hi, I am Kokila. Let's begin our video. The first is connecting with people. You can connect and follow the best data practitioners and data science experts on LinkedIn. You must be thinking, what is the benefit? The benefit is when they do some research related to the field or about some certification and courses, you will get to know. You can also do on the same line. There's a list of data science experts on LinkedIn which I am going to share in the description below. You can also check Quora Data Science Enthusiast. So much information related to the field about new trends, marketplaces and other things as well. The link for the same is in the description below. Make your circle big. The second repository are courses. There are various courses on data science available on Coursera, edX, Udemy, which are the best and absolutely free. One thing I want to tell you here is when you do some free course on Coursera, you have to pay certification fees. So the course is free, but if you want to have certificate, you have to pay them some money. The list of all the free courses and the paid courses are in the description below. Here also I am telling you the best free courses. First is Introduction to Data Science using Python through Udemy. A crash course in data science via Coursera. Python for data science and AI via Coursera again. You can see all the lectures, slides, videos too. There is also a revised course on Introduction to Data Science by Ellison. You can also learn data science with R by Ram Reddy on Coursera. There is also data science micro courses on Kaggle. It introduces you the basics of Python, machine learning and deep learning. It can help you to get started on data science projects as quickly as possible. Another free course is Fast.ai. This course is one of the best for learning deep learning concepts. Another free course is the Google Machine Learning Crash Course. This course is through Google and can be used Google Colab Python environment. Before moving to the next repository, I want to share with you that Google Colab or Google Colaboratory is a wonderful platform for students, data scientists and AI researchers because it allows you to write and execute Python in your browser with zero configuration, free access to GPUs and easy sharing. I will provide all the links of all the courses in the description. There are some paid courses also. First is the Applied Data Science with Python by University of Michigan. Another course is by Coursera Data Science Specialization by Johns Hopkins. Third learning resource is YouTube. There are so many channels who are giving their best on data science, but my two favorites are Krish Nayak and Bhavesh Bhatt. These two people are really giving their best. You can see their videos and enhance your knowledge. I follow them personally. The links for their channel are in the description below. Fourth learning resource is website. There are numerous websites which have content on data science and its subfields. But after review some of them, my first pick is KD Nuggets. For latest and popular posts, webinars or webcasts on data science topic, you should definitely check KD Nuggets. The link is in the description below. My second pick is Kaggle. It is the world's largest data science community with powerful tools and resources to help you achieve your goals. On Kaggle, you can create your own projects on the cloud. You can find numerous courses, forums for discussions and many more. Just check it. It's really good, guys. My third pick is Analytics Vidya. Analytics Vidya brings you to the power of community that comprises of data practitioners, thought leaders and corporates leveraging data to generate value for their businesses. It is again a pool of resources developed by experts. One can also participate in hackathons and master your skills with latest data science problems and showcase their talent to the world. All the links are in the description below. Again and again, I'll say the same thing. Hope you people don't mind that. Fifth learning resource are blogs. Blogs are definitely a big resource for your learning. There is a blog called Towards Data Science, which shares codes, ideas, and concepts with the world. You can also check Medium for latest news and articles on data science. My sixth learning resource are books. Learning from videos, courses are in these days. But how can we forget books? They are so beneficial. और अगर hard copy हो तो बात ही क्या है? जब तक पेन से मार्क नहीं करो तो समझ ही नहीं आता. I am sharing with you the best books which are totally worth your time and money. So let's start with the free books available on the internet. My first pick is Python Data Science book by O'Reilly. This is really good book to start with. Second is Data Science from Scratch. First Principles with Python by Joel Grus. Third book is on Deep Learning by MIT. This is really good book to start studying deep learning. Fourth is Exploratory Data Analysis in Python by O'Reilly again. This is the book on statistics. If you want to study R for data science, you should go by this book, which is named as R for Data Science by O'Reilly. There is also one document on rules of machine learning, best practices from ML engineering. Now here we have books which you can buy. Business Statistics for Contemporary Decision Making by Ken Black, Elements of Statistical Learning, Data Mining Inference and Prediction. These two books are really good. These are paid but really worth your money. And the last repository is GitHub. It is a world's leading software development platform and also a repository of data and knowledge. I am providing you the data science repositories link in the description. I hope I am able to tell you the best resources and you can really start your data science now. For more videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you really like this video, give me a thumbs up. You can share my channel and videos to your friends of friends, to your colleagues, to your family. I really need your support, guys. Please watch my videos, subscribe to my channel and show me your love. Bye bye.
Subscribe to my channel. Love you guys.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.